some butter bean in there. You guys know what the video on this one is short for me today. Curry chicken. Put butter in it, every little thing. Just cover it up right now. And put some anchor butter in it. So I'm hungry, man. Some plain rice. Yep, that's it. Share the rice. I'm gonna take out the wing. Take the wing and the piece of bone. Yeah, I'm gonna see it right here. Nice and ready. Dinner ready. Dinner is served. I am ready to eat. See there? I'm gonna eat my food now. Me hungry. Thank you guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. I'm just finishing off my day. I'm coming to get I am going to spa now to have a little relax. Changing room. And this is how I'm ending my day, guys. This is how I'm ending my day. So I'm just gonna get my swimsuit ready. Yep, I'm gonna be putting on my swimsuit, put on my bikini. Camel water and all of that. Put on a green bikini. Yep. Time to do and relax.